Hey you guys, so welcome back to the channel. We have another wig review sponsored by Sam's Beauty. Yay! So this wig is absolutely gorgeous. You guys are going to want to get all the information. Stay tuned. Today we have a wig review that comes to us from Sam's Beauty. Giving a huge shout out to them for constantly pouring into the channel. So today's wig comes to us from the Stylist. These I think are new by the Stylist. I ended up stumbling upon them because of Sam's Beauty. I would have never gotten these wigs, but they're super nice wigs. So anyway, I got 3 of them. So the first one that we have is going to be Tasty, and I think that is how you pronounce it. It's going to be a straight one. These, all 3 of them in this collection are like a 13 by 6, and it says it's pre-plucked. I haven't even taken them out of the packaging. The next one is going to be Nisha, N-I-S-H-A. That's going to be this one. It looks like it has curls in it. Again, they are from the same line. And then we have one that looks like it's a curl, but it's like more like a bob, and that is this one, and this is Kayla. So the one that we're going to review today is going to be Nisha. So if you are interested in seeing all the rest of them, they will be posting sometime this week. I just wanted to go through them and kind of show all 3 of them to you. So you guys know the deal. We're gonna go ahead and do a voiceover. So as you can see, this is the box. I do have the wig in a 1B. This is that brown lace I was telling you about. It is a 13 by 6. This is the hair. You do get a couple hairs in the back in case you want to pull it up. You get this beautiful body wave that comes in this, that pretty much goes into once you run your hands through it, it goes into like these loose wave slash curls. Party area on this is everything. So I'm showing you guys here how I have my hair. My hair is braided back. I do have it braided back with some gray pieces of braiding hair, and then I'm going to use a black cap with this. So I'm not going to go into full detail. Just want to show you guys this lace because the lace is a brown. It is tinted, and I'm showing you guys how I cut it. So after I cut all the lace off, I did make this wig a throw and go. Stay tuned. I'm going to give you guys some pros. I'm going to give you some cons on this cute little wig. Okay you guys, so this is pretty much a final look for this wig, and all in all I do think she's cute. However, I do have a couple of cons when it comes to her. So again, this wig is Nisha, and I have it from the Stylist. The thing I didn't mention is that this lace is a brown HD lace. I think the lace comes in like 2 different ones. It may come in like one that you can tint, like a lighter one, and then it comes in this brown one. This one I got in the brown. I think I got all of them in the brown, which now that I'm thinking, I probably should have got at least one of them in the other color lace so you guys could see it, like if it's like the HD lace or something like that, the lighter color. But nonetheless, that's what I have. So this one here, as you guys can see, it has curls, and it does have layers. The curls are really pretty. That's in here. On the model, which I know we're not supposed to look at the model. The model, it looks kind of thinner, but the hair is nice and thick. They give you a lot of hair. So getting into some pros and some cons with it. A couple cons that I have with it is that this hair frizzes. I'm kind of glad I have this shirt on because it just frizzes everywhere. I end up getting a little bit of oil on myself because what I did is, to take care of some of that frizz, is I go with a little bit of baby oil on my hand and kind of get rid of some of the frizz and the static clean, and that's what you get with this. And the other thing is I did get shedding. Now I don't know if the shedding was because I literally cut it right at the hairline. That's because it was so brown, and I didn't want to have to use my Evelyn New York, so I just was like, okay, let me see if I can cut it real close up. And then I didn't want to have to pluck it. That's the next thing. I don't feel like this hairline is pre-plucked. I did make this wig a throw and go, so I only sprayed down right up in here, and I did this side over here in case I wanted to push it over. And as you guys can see, it blended in really well with my edge. That's the side that comes out really far for me. If you want, you can go in. This piece here is kind of heavy. You can go in and do, one of these numbers as far as cutting it, or you can wear it as a middle part. I'm a left side part girl, so of course I like it on the left side. And that's really it, besides it being long. Other than that, other than the frizzing and a little bit of stuff that you expect pretty much from a synthetic wig. And the hair texture on this is a silkier hair texture. It's definitely not yucky. It has no yucky in it. So just to let you guys know that it definitely is a silkier texture. So other than that, the wig is really pretty. I will say I do like that they do have the lace tinted. For those of us who don't really want to have to tint our lace, because I didn't have to do much to this since it was already tinted. I just went ahead on and put it down and sprayed it and it laid down. Now I did have to cut, like I said, way into it and do a little swoop right there. The next thing is I do love the texture of the hair. I think it feels really good with it being a with this wave. I feel like it's good once you put a little bit of oil on it. Other than that, I did get, like I said, the tangling. So yeah, I think it's nice. This frontal that they give you on here, the hair up here is kind of heavy, but I feel like that's okay too. So like if you want to pull it up in a ponytail, you can. You definitely get a lot of volume up there, so it won't take away from the back. So all in all, I think she is pretty. I think she's definitely something that I would consider buying if it wasn't sent to me. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. We do have more coming up this week from this collection, so make sure you guys have your notifications turned on, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be showing you guys most of them out of this collection. I've already done, let me look on here, I already did Bella and Athena. So this one here is Nisha, and then I think I have the two new ones. The only one I haven't done is Selena. So pretty much I have whatever is done by the time this video go up, I will definitely link it below. But yeah, Sam's Beauty has really been coming through with these Stylist units, because I would have probably overlooked them, but they're really, really pretty, you guys. Like, it's a really pretty unit. Definitely one to put in your wig wardrobe. Look at that. Look at that hairline. Again, it's not pre-plucked, but it's beautiful. It's just a really pretty hairline. So yeah. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Returning subscribers in YouTube, babes. Y'all already know what y'all think about this one. Have you guys picked up anything from the Stylist, from Sam's Beauty, or just anywhere? Because their wigs are actually nice. Like, I'm really starting to like look at them like, okay, the Stylist, okay, y'all, I see y'all coming out, I see y'all got some new wigs. So if you guys decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, don't forget to tag me in it: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is Beautybymark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.